scene, and I'm waiting confirmation from our roadside team. Okay?
Man, that sucks. You saw the thumbnail correctly. We are taking delivery of my brand new 2024 BMW Competition xDrive. So I am super excited about it. Should be pretty dope the way we're gonna do delivery. It's real official.
You want me to do it?
Check out the headlights.
Beautiful.
With this blue color,
It hits.
that looks spectacular.
Hey, you did your thing with the wheels, bro. You did your thing with the car. Oh, that's nasty.
Gotta get the exhaust of yours back. That sounds serious, bro.
Wow. Man, that sounds good, bro.
Whoa. This is not clickbait. I was on my way to Florida, to the Orlando area, driving my brand new 2024 BMW M4 on a sort of a country route here in Ohio, and probably was going about 65 to 70 miles an hour, and sure enough, a deer, probably a medium to large sized deer, walked out in front of my car, and I hit it. I mean, I tried to slow down, but I hit it. So what I'm not sure of is the damage, so we're gonna go out and take a look. I just called BMW Roadside Service. Shout out to them, because they're actually sending somebody to come and get me. But I am on a road, luckily, that doesn't have a whole lot of traffic. There's only really been about 3 or 4 cars that pass by, and it is 2:24 in the morning. It's really dark out here. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the damage, but let's take a look. That sucks. The good news is the airbag didn't deploy, and actually I was driving fine. The lower part of my front of my car is fine, but the upper part is not. This is pretty bad. I don't know if the car is totaled or what, but I don't know. I think it probably can be fixed. It's probably a good $5,000 worth of damage, maybe a little more. Well, I guess more than that. I had to get a new headlight, whole new grille, bumper, and a whole new hood, and whatever guts are in there. That sucks. Oh, man. Dang. I started smelling antifreeze. It looks like the radiator got probably damaged. Some hoses. That sucks. Yeah, it's leaking radiator fluid right there. Well, at least nobody, well, the deer probably did get hurt. I was about to say nobody got hurt, but that deer went flying in the air. I think I saw an eyeball pop out or something. That was crazy. There it is. I don't think it's total.
No, I just went and tried to pop that through. I'll leave it closed.
Yeah, it was rolling. Actually, I rode for probably a good 5 miles.
Oh, really?
Before it started steaming and stuff from the fluid. And then I heard some belt or something. Yeah, I think I'm
Yeah,
belting.
everything's starting to give way.
That's first time, but hopefully the last.
We are in Ohio.
3 people hit deers tonight. Yeah. Coolant started leaking out the engine. Yeah. So the police are behind me this time for a different reason. Man, I don't know what's worse, the ticket or the claim. Car shut off. The bad news is it's cold out here. It's 30 degrees below freezing. And Portland, Ohio, wherever that is. Say a prayer for me. Well, I guess that's a good news. Got a flatbed. Let get up out of here. Well, this is good news. I'm getting up on a flatbed. This is the police officer that helped me out, 0714. Shout out to him, very helpful. So yeah, he's gonna flatbed it up here. Let me give him the key. But he showed up pretty quick. Showed up probably in 15 minutes. Look at the coolant on the ground. But coolant started leaking and wasn't until after I pretty much stopped. So the car didn't overheat or have any warnings about overheating. There it is. Well, now for the long ride home to the mechanic. But hey, at least it's safe hands now. There it is, folks. Well, made it back to its home at BMW Midwestern Auto Group. Seems like I was just here yesterday, because I was. Crazy with that blue. Ah, man, it looks sick. That yellow looks sick, especially with the lights lit up. Like I said, it could be worse. I don't think it's total. But hey, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So I'm thinking this is gonna be a keeper for the channel because we're going through some adversity with this car. So obviously I'm gonna need a front bumper. So let's get that Edge front bumper coming in. Gonna need a new hood. Maybe I'll go with a carbon fiber hood. And then of course I'm gonna need some guts, probably a radiator and some belts, stuff like that. Probably 10 to 15K worth of damage is what the insurance will say. I bet you if I was doing it myself though, I could probably get everything for less than 10 grand plus labor. So we'll see. Big shout out to Get Hooked Towing. We shout them out, man. Get Hooked. Saved my ass, man. Saved my ass. Look at that. Carbon got nicked up. Oh man. Carbon. All right, we'll take a better look at it once it comes off of this. All right, let's look at this side of the damage. That light got tore up real good. I wonder, are they gonna replace both of the lights? Damn, boy. Man, I wonder, do I have the video footage? Because this car does have a camera that records. So I wonder, do I have the footage? We're gonna have to see about that. Yeah, this quarter panel. I don't know, man. I don't know. This quarter panel might be okay. Scratched up. Yeah, scratched up a little bit. Man, they're gonna be blowing my phone up tomorrow. Dang, I had just got this car right with the wheels and everything. Driving good, and a deer took us out. They say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So I guess the lesson of this video is count your blessings. Could have been worse. Yeah, my new M4 is smashed up. But I mean, this is what happens when you drive your car. Like, a deer can jump in front of you, and that's what can happen. So I'm okay. I think the car will be fine. We'll take this as an opportunity to make it better than ever. You know what I'm saying? Now I don't feel afraid to modify the car. I wonder, do they void the warranty when you crash it? Somebody let me know in the comments. Do they void the warranty when you crash the car? I'm bringing it to BMW. Hopefully they don't void the warranty, but yeah, it's time to make some lemonade. So this is gonna be the best recovered BMW of all time. So stay tuned.